Emir of Kano after receiving his letter of appointment from Governor Abba Yusuf on Friday, May 24, 2024. By the powers conferred on me by the Kano Emirate Council Law of 1984 and 2024, and supported by the recommendation of the Kingmakers, I have the singular pleasure to confirm the reappointment of Muhammadu Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano and the head of the Kano Emirate Council, the governor said. His reinstatement took place at the government house in Kano 4 years after he was deposed by the immediate past governor of the state, Abdullahi Ganduje. At the event, the governor re-echoed the emir's role and urged him to lead according to Islamic tenets of Islam. As the emir is being appointed for the second time, it is based on his competence, credibility, and popularity, he said. I urge him to be guided by the principles of Islamic teachings and to use his position to unite the emirates, fostering harmony among the Islamic sects in the state. Traditional rulers, kingmakers, and other top dignitaries were in attendance at the event, which came barely 1 day after Governor Yusuf signed the Kano State Emirate Council Repeal Bill 2024 into law. The new law replaces the Kano State Emirate Council Law 2019 and dissolves the Emirate Councils created by Ganduje. That law was used by Ganduje to split the Kano Emirate into 5 in December 2019 and deposed Sanusi II on March 9, 2020. The Emirates created by the Ganduje administration were Karaye, Bichi, Rano, and Gaya, in addition to Kano. Emir Sanusi II, a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, who was known as Lamido Sanusi before becoming king, received the letter of appointment amidst reports that a federal high court presiding by Justice Liman had granted an ex parte order restraining Kano state government from reinstating him as Emir of Kano. The order, according to media reports, was given the previous night following a case filed by a traditional title holder, the Sakin Dawaki Baba, Aminu Baba Dan Agundi. In granting the order, the judge granted leave to the plaintiff or applicant to issue and serve their concurrent originating motion as well as all other court processes on the sixth defendant, IGP, in Federal Capital Territory Abuja and outside the jurisdiction of the Honorable Court. The judge reportedly ruled that parties are hereby ordered to maintain status quo ante the passage and assent of the bill into pending hearing of the fundamental rights application. That in view of the constitutional and jurisdictional issues apparent on the face of the application, parties shall address the court on same at the hearing of the fundamental rights application, which is fixed for the 3rd of June 2024. That in order to maintain the peace and security of the state, an interim injunction of this honorable court is granted restraining the respondent from enforcing, executing, implementing, and operationalizing the Kano State Emirate Law Council Repeal Law. That parties are hereby ordered to maintain status quo ante the passage and assent of the bill into pending the hearing of the fundamental rights application. Justice Liman is said to have adjourned the case to June 3, 2024 for hearing of the fundamental rights application. From Lagos, this is Peace Nabuko, News Express Nigerian Television.